If Telegram is showing the message, "This channel cannot be displayed," don't worry. This is usually a settings issue, and in many cases it can be fixed in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to try so you can get Telegram working properly again on your phone or PC. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open a web browser on your phone or your computer and go to the official Telegram web. Make sure you are using the real Telegram website so you can safely change the correct account settings. Once the page loads, log in with the same Telegram account that is showing the issue. After you're signed in, look for the menu icon in the top left corner. This is the icon with 3 lines. Tap or click it to open the main menu, then select Settings. Inside Settings, you want to go to Privacy and Security. This is where Telegram keeps the content and visibility controls that can affect whether certain channels are shown or hidden. Now scroll down until you find the Sensitive Content section. This is the part that usually causes the channel display issue. In that section, look for the option that says Disable Filtering. Check that box to turn it on. This tells Telegram to stop filtering certain types of content, which can help restore access to channels that were previously hidden. Once you've enabled it, don't forget this next part because it matters. Fully close Telegram and restart it. If you're on mobile, swipe it away from your recent apps and open it again. If you're on PC, close the app completely and launch it again. This helps the new settings sync properly across your account. After Telegram reopens, go back and check the channel again. In many cases, the message that says this channel cannot be displayed should now be gone. If it still doesn't appear right away, give it a minute and refresh, because account changes can sometimes take a short moment to update. So to quickly recap, you log into Telegram web, open the menu, go to Settings, open Privacy and Security, scroll to Sensitive Content, enable Disable Filtering, and then fully restart Telegram. That's the full fix. If this video helped, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone else who is having the same Telegram issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.